Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to underline in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Underlining here in Adobe Acrobat is a simple process that can serve several purposes depending on the context that you want it. Now, if you are using the Adobe Acrobat Online, the web version, all I have to do is go to the document that you're working. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file right here. What will happen is it would be forwarded to the main editor, all right? And from here, this is some of the few ways for you to underline. For example, you want to highlight this text right here. All I'm going to do is go to the draw freehand. You see, doing this, you need to choose a color for a freehand drawing. And of course, you can also increase the thickness for that if you want to underline. For example, I'm going to specifically underline this one right here. Okay, you see that? What about we choose a different color? This one is for different specifications, so I'm going to underline that. So these are some of the options for you to underline. Another option that you can do is, see this. Now put in your text for now. Add a text. Okay, so my text is going to be like here. See that? I'm going to maximize this, right? And then I'm going to choose the underline here. Okay, so all I gotta do is put in the underline and you'll be able to underline this text. Now, this is the Adobe web version. We're going to switch quickly to the Adobe Acrobat application. In this instance, for you to be able to use an underline, all I have to do is add a comment. You see this? There should be an add a comment section here. Add something, for example, that. You see the comment? All I have to do is select all the text and press Ctrl plus U to underline it. And click on post. See that? These are some of the options for you to underline here in Adobe Acrobat. And of course, from here, you can also put in the cross out right here. Choose a different color similar to the option earlier. See this? Kind of like a small underline. Of course, you just have to make sure that they are close to each other, creating a small underline, dotted underline. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.